Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain you how to add citations with the help of QuillBot software. As you already familiar with that, how you can paraphrase using QuillBot, but with the help of QuillBot, you can also cite a research article. If you are writing a research paper, at that time you require some of the softwares or program to write references or citations immediately. So at that time you can save your time with the help of programs like this. So here is the QuillBot website. You can click on, you will have the interface like this. Okay, so as we know, there are many of the programs available like Zotero, Mendeley, and even if Google Scholar also helpful to cite research articles or the papers, so you can cite them in MLA, AP, or Chicago, Harvard, Vancouver also. And one of the famous tool is to use EndNote to cite a paper or for referencing the particular article. So other than this, how you can use the QuillBot easily to cite your research article which you have used for your research work. So here the QuillBot software have, other than the citation, many of the applications like paraphraser, grammar checker. So in the previous video I have explained how you can paraphrase and how you can reduce plagiarism with the help of QuillBot. Grammar checker also is there. You can make your write up grammatically correct with the help of QuillBot. AI detector is also available in this QuillBot. Plagiarism checker is also available, but it is not so far free. You have to purchase it. Okay. So summarizer is also available. Many other than the paraphrasing, you will get many of the advantages from this program. So here translator is also there. You can translate from one language to another. So first basically we are focusing on the citation generator. How we can generate a citation for a particular article which is helpful for writing your research paper. So here there are many options available to generate a citation. Either you can click the title, put the title, URL, DOI number, or else you can directly upload that paper and you can generate a citation here. Or else manually also you can cite. So let us write here keyword. So that you can generate the research article to be cited. Atomic number. Okay. If I put keywords also, it will provide the many of the research article related to that. So here I will go for this journal paper. So if I click on that, it automatically generates the citation here. Here you can copy this citation and you can add it in your research paper wherever you are writing references. So any of the research article if you write, you will require for a good research paper 10 to 15 research minimum. So sometime it may lead to maximum citations. So here one way to get, and another way is to upload a PDF. Directly upload the PDF file of that research paper that you want to cite in your research article. So here I will select one of the paper here. So you can see once I upload the article, it will generate automatically the research, the citation for that paper. Author's name, year of publication, title, journal name, paper, DOI number. So you can copy this or else um, you can add simultaneously all the papers. So next I will go with DOI or the paper title. So here I have this paper. I will copy this title and paste it here. I will click on cite. So here you can see again it has generated the citation, or else I will click on this. So this is how the citation has generated, and it has added to your reference list here. 3 already added. If you put URL or DOI, you can also get the paper citation of that paper. So here once you add these, I will also show you some other references we can add here. So here again related articles have been mentioned. So this is the paper that has been added. Electron density. So these papers have been added in the list. Then what I will do, here you can export these references directly to your Word file, not necessary to copy individually. You can save your time, just click on export. So here the Word file has been generated for all these references which we have uh, created using this QuillBot. So let us go to the reference Word file. So you can see how easily you can add references with the help of QuillBot systematically. So this is the way to add citation or references to your research article with the help of QuillBot. So here I have explained how to add the citation to your research article with the help of QuillBot. So here you will have many of the options for referencing in API, MLA, Chicago. Also you can add. Here the number also show how many references you have added, 5. Still you can increase the list. Easily you can add it in your research article. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, please do like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos like this for your research work.